Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Chili's queso dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 16 ounces of Velveeta, 1 can of Rodal diced tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of diced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced jalapeno, and 1/2 cup of cooked ground beef for that classic flavor. Now, let's get started on the base. Cut your 16 ounces of Velveeta into 1-inch cubes. This helps it melt smoothly. Combine the cubed Velveeta, the can of Rodal diced tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of milk in a medium saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. Continue stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the dip is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, it's time to infuse that signature Chili's flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Then, add your 1/4 cup of finely diced onion and 1 tablespoon of minced jalapeno. For an authentic touch, incorporate 1/2 cup of cooked, crumbled ground beef. Let the queso simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to truly meld together. Finally, let's finish up and serve your amazing queso. Give it a taste and adjust any seasonings if you feel it needs a little more kick or salt. If the dip seems too thick, you can add a small amount of milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. Transfer the hot queso to a serving bowl and serve immediately with your favorite tortilla chips. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.